go back in the bed. Baby, go back in the bed. Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, good day. It's your girl Joy Tohe and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today guys, we have a hair install and it's quite an exciting one because we're installing natural hair clip-ins. I am so excited. They just compliments me so well. So the clip-ins are from Curlsqueen. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video, and this is their lovely box, packaged so beautifully. And upon opening this box guys, we can see the complimentary gifts which is right on top. And the gifts came in this beautiful purse, which I feel it's very amazing and very reusable. If you purchase any hair extension from Curlsqueen, you will receive this too. So upon opening that, we can see that it came with this hairbrush, and we can also see this hair bonnet, which, oh my god guys, I have never seen anything like this. This bonnet is so large, and it has this drawstring which you can just use to should I say make it larger, like it can fit any hairstyle, whatever hairstyle you do. So I think that is very amazing. And it also came with this extra clip-ins because we are installing some. And also in the box guys, we have the clip-ins which are kept in this beautiful silk bag, which I feel it's very amazing. And when you're not using the clip-ins, you can always store them in this bag. Okay, so before we show the clip-ins, let's just prep our hair. Okay, so I have my hair freshly washed, although it's already moisturized, and then I'm just going to kind of section my hair, should I say ear to ear. As you can see, it doesn't have to be like totally perfect. As you can see, mine isn't, and I'm just going to just put the front section aside because we're going to be cornering the hair at the back. Okay, as I said earlier, it doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, I'm literally just doing like 3 big cornrow braids at the back, and it's not perfect, so just find a way to just tuck that aside because we are going to be installing clip-ins on them. Okay, so guys, the clip-ins we receive are kinky straight, and as you can see, my hair is literally 4C, so we need to just prep my hair. Okay, just to make sure it blends well. So I'm just going to blow dry my hair and using this heat protectant. When applying heat on our 4 type hair, please use heat protectant. Okay, and I'm just going to blow dry my hair with this brush, and I will be doing the same thing on the other side, which I have already done. So guys, here is the clip-in, and guys, it is just literally just one bundle, and this is enough for the whole head. So this is the 18 inches kinky straight from Curlsqueen. Guys, the texture, oh my god, the texture is amazing. So I'm just going to just remove this thing holding the weft. And guys, the clip-ins come in different lengths, and there are wefts that have like 5 clip-ins like this one. There are wefts that have 4, there are wefts that have 3, and some have 2. So you just try to, should I say, measure them on your head first, and know the one that would work for that particular section. Okay, so guys, I started with this weft that has 4 clip-ins, and I'm going to install this at the back. And I straightened it a bit first before installing it, but that's totally optional. You can install first before straightening it. Okay,
Christian Dior on my body, rich bitch, I look like money. Walking, it's all eyes on me. I know it's hard to approach me, yeah. Pop my shit like bubblegum. It, girl, this vibe is 101. And I ain't here looking for love. The dollar signs gon' turn me on. Sit back and enjoy
And guys, in this section of my head, which is the back, I installed about 5 clip-ins in case you're wondering. And as I installed, I just straighten each of the wefts. Okay, and yeah, that is it about the back section. And then I just moved over to the front section of my hair, and I began to straighten the front section of this hair. Okay.
Bills all around, I'm attracting it. I'm a luxury, I like lavish it. Sit back and enjoy the view. Look so good, should pay per view. Should pay per view. Look so good, should pay per view. Sit back, enjoy the view. Look so good, should pay per view. Should pay per view. Look so good.
So guys, now I'm done prepping the front section of my hair, and I'm just going to install this weft that has 2 clip-ins on the front section, and I'm just going to just install that on my natural hair. Okay, and when I do, I'm just going to straighten the clip-in so it just matches my hair perfectly. Okay, so I installed 3 clip-ins on each half of the front section of this hair, and now I'm just perfecting the middle part, and I'm just going to do the same for the other side of the section. Okay.
Christian Dior on my body. Rich bitch, I look like money. Walking, it's all eyes on me. I know it's hard to approach me, yeah. Pop my shit like bubble gum. It girl, this vibe is 101. And I ain't here looking for love. The dollar signs will turn me on. Sit back and enjoy the view.
So guys, I am so impressed at how well my hair blends so well with these clip-ins. Like, there is just something about natural hair extensions I love, and this didn't even take me more than 15 minutes to install. It was so easy. And guys, this is the final look. Oh my god, guys, take a look at this blend. OMG, natural hair extension got my heart, honestly. And look at how silky this looks. Like, I have gotten so many compliments and people asking me, is this your hair? And guess what I told them? Of course it is. So guys, I am so in love. It feels so soft. It feels so luscious. I am just so in love, and I see myself doing this again and again and again. So guys, I thought about adding some coils to this Kinky straight clip-ins, and guys, it did not even disappoint me at all. The coils look amazing with this hair, and I just brought out my my coiler, and I just coiled this hair. It was very easy to take coils, which I love.
Christian Dior on my body. Rich bitch, I look like money. Walking, it's all eyes on me. I know it's hard to approach me, yeah. Pop my shit like bubble gum. It girl, this vibe is 101. And I ain't here.
So guys, after coiling, I combed the coils a bit, and guys, when I say this look at this look at, oh my god, this is so pretty. And guys, I will drop the links to this hair in the description box. Guys, please, I feel everyone should own clip-ins, okay, and most especially this one that can stick to that can either be straight or coily. I love this clip-in so much. I decided to style this clip-in a bit and do some half up half down situation. And yeah guys, look at what I came up with. So guys, I used a clip to just clip the back section aside, and I used my coiling iron to just, you know, make this coilier a bit. And guys, take a look at this. This hairstyle is so cute and I love it so much. Thank you so much, Curlsqueen, for sending this amazing clipping to me. I am in love and I feel everyone should own this, and it's all in the description box below. Okay, thank you so much for watching once again, and do you have a good day. Bye.